Okay, hello dear friends. Are we in the right room? I think so. So I have some little sausage and some onion, some shiitake mushroom, and eggplant. So I turn on the fire and cook this eggplant. Cut some shiitake mushroom and cut some little onion. Cut it to half, and that is good enough. Okay, onion, nothing fancy. Cut it large. This is the mushroom, a little bit of the mushroom. This does not look that good. Oh, that's good. Dirt in it. Nothing so long. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Okay, now we take a look. Look here. And I will keep on cut the eggplant. The color is not. Are we in the right room? I think so. Oh, this eggplant is so good. Okay, cover it up. Start to smell good. This eggplant is so good. Okay, now we take care of the shiitake mushroom and everything. Are we in the right room? I think so. I didn't put any cooking oil or anything. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Doesn't hurt. Cooking oil. Hello. Hello. Cover it up. Maybe I should put a couple more eggplants. Okay. Salt and pepper. Time to say hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Salt. Pepper. Hello. Bye-bye. Mustard seed. Hello. Bye-bye. Cumin seed. Hello. Bye-bye. Cover it up. Stir a little bit. Cover it up. And there is nothing we can do. Just wait a little bit. I find that when I do cooking like this, relaxed, no video editing, I'm much relaxed. There is more personal connection, and we are cooking together. I have seen a lot of cooking video. They are very instructional, and but you feel a distance. You must see a person talk. Usually the cooking video that does not have any person talking with instruction text. Put 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, put 1 spoon of soy sauce. Things like this is very unpersonal. It is important that from time to time, or all the time, or sometime, that you talk. Your voice, if you have a voice that is not hurting other people's ear, then use your voice. That is something so authentic that nothing can replace. It is important. Okay. Turn the fire slower. Okay, cover it up. And then another few minutes. You can turn the fire to medium high. I put it in very slow so that it does not splash, so that I can open it up. Once you cover it up, once you cover it up, you can turn the fire stronger and let it cook. Not very much I can do. I can only wait. And the eggplant, it is always good to put some sugar. So I decide to put a spoonful of sugar. This much of sugar, half spoonful of sugar, and some soy sauce will always be good. Okay, half spoonful of soya sauce. Let it cook. And with the fire and with almost no sugar, no water, this sugar and the sugar from the soya sauce will caramelize and make it more delicious. Turn the fire stronger. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, look at it. It smells so good. It smells caramelized and a little bit sour, I don't know from where, soya sauce. And this is done. You can enjoy just like this. Bon appetito. Turn on the fire, turn off the fire, and this is good.